You selected 2/10 of a bar, and indeed that's approximately the correct number. It's just an approximation of the answers. This is closest to the value we expect because the partial pressure of oxygen in air at 1 bar is about 0.21 bar. And at these low pressures, 1 bar, the fugacity of oxygen is approximately equal to its partial pressure. So even though the concentration of oxygen is very low in the water, its fugacity has to be the same in the water as it is in the gas phase. And in the gas phase, the fugacity is its partial pressure. And so therefore, the fugacity in the liquid phase is the same value, namely 0.2 bar. So this is in the liquid phase, and of course, also in the gas phase.